along on the journey with me.
What? You don't have a gear.
All right, leaving Winter Wonderland, hopefully to a sunnier place where we can dirt scoot. So I'm very excited. Never been to Bowen Island, but let's go. Here we go, round 2, second trip. Bowen, here we go. Yeah. Yeah! Bowen Island, here we come. Is it right there? That's it? No, that's Boyer. It's like there. We're going that way. Where's Shannon? Oh, there she is. Cheers! Yum! It's 8 p.m. and we're having sleepy time too. Yes. Nice. So nice. Good morning here in Bowen Island. We are at our Airbnb and it's snowing. We are dirt biking today. We are going to check out some of the trail systems. So come along, but look at this. Ocean. We got West Vancouver, I think, right there. Beautiful. Got our beautiful little cottage here. But yeah, it's snowing. It is chilly. So it'll be interesting to see how dirt biking goes. Here are our dirt bikes. If you can see. So excited. Oh, pretty. Got it framed.
With the fur?
Yeah. Yay. Uh-oh. I have a spark.
It's always somebody.
I have a spark plug. Oh God. Wrong sport. Oh, the guy. Yeah. That's cool. I feel like that's what these trails are.
But we were saying too, it always takes longer. Literally have to stop. Never boring.
Okay, documenting this. There is so much snow here on Bowen Island. It is February 26th, maybe, so we came out for the weekend. It has snowed at least like 3 inches here. We went dirt biking in the trail systems and it was wild. It was crazy. It was icy. It was slippery. We struggled. There was lots of struggles. There was lots of lifts. I believe we did about 5.3K is what the girl said in 3 hours and 20 minutes. This is very unusual for Bowen Island, but it is so beautiful. We're gonna see if we're gonna ride tomorrow, but with the amount of snow that's coming down, there's a possibility that we won't be riding, but that's okay. Good morning, here we are, Sunday. The clouds are starting to lift. Don't know if you guys can see that, but it's gonna be nice and sunny. Look at all the snow. What, a foot of snow here? Bowen Island? I'm sure they're not used to that, but we're gonna get ready. We're gonna do some yoga and then we'll head home. Yeah! We're currently shoveling and it's steep and icy. Got some ice melt, found shovels. This is scary, scary stuff. Do you want to back up a little further? Oh, no. Okay. Yay! Ow! Let's cheer! Hooray! Woo! We made it! It doesn't look steep on video, but oh my god. Because I'm filming right now. High five. Yay! Always an adventure. All right, we are lock and loaded up. We're all home, almost. Still got to go to Vancouver and Pemberton, but Shannon's in Squamish. What's the highlight?
Climbing Trump Tower.
Climbing Trump Tower.
Making a reel, and stay tuned because you'll see why.
Yes, we created a reel. We were very committed. I hope you guys enjoy it. We'll show it on here. So yay, and for me it was dirt biking in the snow and ice. What a riot, what a hoot. It was challenging but fun. Woo! Yay! Made it, and it's sunny. Bye.
Ha 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 ha!